Hello everyone, thank you for giving us the valuable time for the demo. We look forward to a very productive long-term relationship with you. Our aim is to bring innovation in your school, empower teachers, parents, and students. We aim to save 500 plus hours of time of a school. Also, we want to save money of your school. So let's discuss about the need, problem, and goals of your school and our solution. So the question is why scientific study? Number one, we want to bring innovation in school with the QR attendance and lots of automations. There are tons of automation that you can do. There are more than 50 automation that you can select as per your need. We will try to save 500 hours per year with automation, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. You can save money with the QR attendance. You don't have to worry about the biometrics machines, even if you're a small school, and lots of notifications. You can buy one software and get three software. You can get a software to improve the branding of a school and also improve the presence of a school and get more admission leads without spending too much money on marketing. So these are the two softwares that you can get free of cost with our school ERP. So now more about scientific study. We have 1000 plus partner schools. We are 10 years old company. We have all in one software that you can use. We unlimited support and training that we can provide. So now let's go through the features. What kind of features we have? We have more than 200 features. Let's go through one by one. Here, scientific study financial modules. We have fee management system, we have admission management system, we have salary management system, then we have accounts. And now the basic core modules of scientific study. You have permission module, you can manage the permission. Then you have classes. In classes, you can assign class teachers, subject teachers, roll number, manage classes, all this information. Configuration, this is a core module where you can configure all details about the school details, academic years, so school SMS, master data, and other settings. Import, you can import the student data and staff data, classes, and fee structure. So now let's go through the communication modules. So communication model in communication modules we have SMS, text messages. Number two, send broadcast message. You can send broadcast message without any expenses. This will save lots of money and hassles to your school. You have news, notice, event, and holidays. Now let's explore the scientific study academic modules. Homework. The great thing about the homework, you can generate the content with the AI. Also, you can reuse the homework. Now, classwork, exactly same thing. You can do the class activity with the help of classwork and assessment and lesson plan. So now let's go through the big module that every school needs. Scientific study report card process. So we will design your report card. Number one, we will set the exam date and exam rosters. You can enter the marks. Your school admin can freeze the marks. Number five, you can prepare a consolidated report. Number six, you can publish the report card. Number seven, analyze academic performance of your school. Number eight, reuse report card design. Now let's go to the scientific study fee management. We will go through all modules one by one, but this is the outline of scientific study fee management. In fee management, you have set up your fees, settings, type, category, set up your installment, set up fee structure, set up the concessions. Then after that, you can start collecting fee. You can set up the online fee payment and then manage overdues fee, analyze cash flow and cash leak. So now let's go through the module one by one. There are the other modules that we can go after some time. So I'm going to log into the school admin. So now I'm logged in as a school admin. So the very first thing that we are going to do is the fee management system of a school, this one. So again, as a school admin, I will go to the financial modules. Here is the fee management. This is the masters of fee. where you can configure all the fee installment of your school. Some schools take the fee in quarterly manner. Some schools take the fee on monthly installment. Some schools take on bi-yearly. So it all depends on you. This system is complete flexible. You can create installment as per your need. After creating installment, you can create the fee category. After creating fee category, you can create the fee types. Here are the fee types. And then a special fee types, a special fee, you can assign the special fee type. There are tons of customization that you can do as per your school. This is the create class fee structure. So our system is very flexible. You can create a fee structure based on your need. You can create fee structure for new students, for new admissions. You can create fee structure for old students. And it's unlimited. However, you want to create the fee structure for a class. For example, select fee type for the April fee for one class. I'm talking about this class, class 1A. So for class 1A, this is the fee structure. And if you want to edit any fee structure, you have to simply click on edit, and it will allow you to select all the fee types, all the fee category, the amount that you want to get from the students in one place. I can close this thing. And now, after you set the fee structure, there are tons of other settings that you can do. That what kind of fee receipt you want, what kind of demand bill you want, what kind of installment, how you want installments to behave at the time of taking fee. So as you can see, there are tons of that settings that uh, you can manage with the fee masters and fee settings. So now let's take a very simple example. One student comes to your school, one parent comes to your school with a student, and he want to give the fee payment. So a student comes, you have to select the class. For example, I'm selecting this class 5A or 1A. And now I will select the student. For example, I'm selecting this student. Let's select another student. Okay. So the system is very much smart. Once you select the student, it will give you the complete details of the students, that how much this student has paid, number one, how much is the current due, how much is the total due, and how much is the refund amount, and how much is the voucher due. So you have to simply select the installment that you want to take fee. For example, I want to take fee for 2 months, May and June. And now this is the detail of the installment. So in case if the late fine has been configured in your system, it will come automatically. And tuition fee, all other fee type associated with the installment, it will come here. Now you have to select the payment mode. Payment mode can be configured as per your school. You can select the cash and how much you want to take fee. The total amount is 3,850. Just suppose that this parent has only 3,000 rupees. Okay, so you just need to adjust the amount. So the total amount is 3,850. Amount paid is 3,000 rupees, and the due amount is 850. What do you have to do? Simply click on take fee, and this will generate the fee receipt of the student here. This one. So now let's go back. After taking fee, in case if this student come against next month, so now you know that this student has given fee for these many months, but still he has to pay for the month of June, because last time when we took the fee, 850 rupees was due. So this time you will select the June month and whichever new month you want to select. Again, you have to exactly do the same thing, cash, online, card swap, whatever you want to select. The options will come according to the payment mode. For example, I'm just taking here cash. I will simply say take fee, and fee payment will be done immediately. If you want to send a notification or if you want to send a SMS text message, it can be sent automatically. So now let's go through the other features of fee module. This is the concession module where you can have your concession templates. If you want to provide concession to the students based on based on staff or based on sibling, you can do complete setup of your concession here. For example, if you want to set concession and if you want to assign concession to this student, for example, I'm taking this one, class 5A, this student. So what we need to do, we simply need to select all the items that you want to provide as a concession, and you need to select the installment from where you want to start getting the concession. So these are the this is the way that you can set the concession, and there are lots of other things in the concession that you can go through go in details when you get the demo details. There are lots of report for the concession, a student availing concession, paid concession report, expected concession report, bulk concessions, all these reports. Now, think, think about a situation when any parents comes to your school and he wants his fee refund because of some situations. So our system is flexible, and in case if any student wants any kind of refund or any kind of fee cancellation, adjust fee, you can do complete from here. You can refund the fee from here, or you can cancel the fee from here, or you can adjust the fee from here in this place. Same way, in case if any of the students wants to pay a random expenses, which is not related with the fee, which is not related with the fee. So you can create the vouchers from here. At the same time, we have account system where you have your account expenses, expenditures, income, everything. But here we are providing you a very simple process of creating a voucher for a student and getting the payment from the student from here. And now let's go back to the all the reports that we have. At the same time, I just I just want you to go through other system of fee feature, other features of the fee system. For example, if you want to take the fee with the check, then you can manage all the checks here. I'm clicking on fee reports. So we have four big categories for the fee management system. Collection, there are one, two, three. Sorry, let me go back again. Fee reports. Yeah, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 reports for the collection. There are 5 reports for the dues, and there are almost 10 reports for the students and 7 reports for the general. So if you want to see the daily collection of your school, you can simply go here, you can select the classes, you can select the date, and what you have to do, simply click on search. It will display all the fee collections of your school, and also it will display that how much you have collected in cash, how much you have collected online, all details, and who has collected, which school admin has collected all the fee. So it will give you all the details here. And now I want to see other reports. For example, I want to know that how much we are collecting fee headwise. So this is the headwise fee collection for of school. I'm going back to the reports. There are lots of reports that you can use. I want to say that how much we are collecting fee class wise, how much we are collecting fee installment wise. So in this case, what you have to do, select the date, start date, end date, and then click on search. So this will display all the collected fee, class basis, class wise, also installment wise. So this is a very, very important fee report. Now, if you want to tally some kind of fee, some kind of mismatch in your fee collection, what you have to do? Complete paid report. Here again, select the installment type. Okay, I want to see all the fee that the school has collected from this installment to this installment. Simply select the installment and it will all display all collected fee for these two installments here. Now, the most important fee report. And there are tons of report, there are tons of report, there are tons of report that you can see here. A student payment, hostel report, head-wise, group-wise student, a fee agreement, a student wallet report, all these things. The most important report is due. If your school admin wants to know that how much is the fee due for this installment for July, for the month of July, you have to select the first date, first installment, second installment, and you have to click on search. So now this screen will display all amount due for all classes. This place here, this place, this one. It's amazing. All classes and total amount of all these classes. Number one. Number two, you have the due report. You have the due amount for each classes. So that's the second report you are getting here. The third thing is, if you want to generate the demand slip, you can just click on these places. If you want to generate a Excel for all these classes, the due amount, you can simply click here. So this is the place where you can get all details without any hassles. Now, my need is, I want to know that how much is the due of students per class for one specific class. So I clicked on this class. For this class, the total amount is 62,350. And for this class, this is the list of all students where we have all the due amount, and this is the due amount. And the most important thing is you can send a SMS to all students for this classes from this screen. That's the good thing. Second thing is, if you don't want to spend money, because this is the promise that we have done to you, that you don't have to spend too much money with us. So instead of sending SMS, you can send a notification to all students and you can save the money and time. And this is more interactive. If you want to download the fee receipt, the fee due amount of this class, you can simply click here. You can generate the demand slip, all this here. And in case if you want to send SMS individually, then you can click here. If you want to individually generate the demand slip of one student, you can click here. And the most important thing is, if you want to keep a notes about the follow-up, then you can click here, this follow-up, this place. So this is the screen from where you can do 20 tasks from one single screen and you can achieve a good cash flow for your school. So this is the complete fee management system of scientific study. Feel free to reach us in case if you have any further question, and we'll be very much happy to answer your questions. Thank you.